Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in Mailchimp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us in order to delete contacts. In your Mailchimp tab, open your Mailchimp app first on your mobile device or your Dex tab and make sure that you're logged in from the home page of Mailchimp. Tap on the Audience button at the bottom. Scroll all the way down from this page until you see your Contacts tab and tap on All Contacts in order to view all of your contacts. Once your contacts list has been previewed and the Display tab on one of your contacts and this will open up their profile, tap on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner from their profile and tap on Delete in order to delete a contact. Confirm that if you'd like to delete your account for sure and simply touch and hold this button right here in order to delete your contact on Mailchimp. As you can see that there are 0 contact on my list right now. That is how you can easily delete a contact on Mailchimp with your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.